everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're visiting Pearl Harbor and Kualoa Ranch in Oahu, Hawaii. Come and join us. Enjoy! Pearl Harbor Historical Sites. Pearl Harbor Historic Sites. Hours of operation are 7 a.m. to 5 p.m., but the submarine closes by 4:30 p.m. After the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor on December 7, 1941, the U.S. entered into World War II. The submarine USS Bowfin. Its nickname is the Pearl Harbor Avenger. Let's check it out. We are now entering the USS Bowfin submarine used in World War II. Throughout its service during World War II, the U.S. Bowfin was highly effective, sinking 44 enemy ships and damaging others. It is now preserved as the museum ship at Pearl Harbor. We are taking the Hollywood Movie Sites Tour. It is a 90-minute bus and walking tour in the Ka'awa Valley. It is Hollywood's Hawaii backlot, where over 300 of Hollywood's biggest blockbuster movies and TV shows were filmed. Some of them include Jurassic Park, Jumanji, Kong Skull Island, 50 First Dates, Karate Kid 2, and more.